Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Thank you for this honor of celebrating with you all the 34th founding anniversary of the Cooperative Development Authority or CDA and the Program on Awards and Incentives for Service Excellence or PRAISE awarding ceremony. Allow me to express my appreciation to the CDA Board of Directors under the leadership of Chairperson and Undersecretary Joseph B. Encabo, and newly appointed Administrator Assistant Secretary Santiago S. Lim. I also acknowledge the dedicated leaders and hardworking employees of CDA and extend a warm welcome to our special guests from various organizations and government offices. Today, we come together to celebrate the 34th anniversary of the CDA and at the same time honor the remarkable individuals whose dedication and excellence in public service are highlighted through this praise awarding ceremony. This year's anniversary theme, CDA at 34, Cultivating Employee Empowerment Towards Excellence, resonates deeply with the transformative power of empowering the workforce. It is reflective of the CDA's acknowledgement of the importance of a high-performing, competent, and empowered human capital in the delivery of excellent public service. In the pursuit of service excellence, the true strength of the CDA lies not just in its organizational structures and processes, but in the dedication and passion of its people. The CDA's commitment to employee empowerment is not merely lip service, but a series of deliberate human resource initiatives aimed at enhancing professional development, upgrading skill sets, and fostering a collaborative work environment. This afternoon, we honor the people whose significant contributions helped CDA be what it is today, an organization that empowers cooperatives and promotes the socio-economic potential of the Filipino people. The principle underlying the conferment of praise, which was institutionalized by the Civil Service Commission in 1992, is anchored on the purpose of acknowledging our heroes or lingkod bayani in the civil service, many of whom, quietly and without fanfare, pursue their duties with commitment and dedication. Kailangan nating magpatupad na mga programang naglalayong bigyang halaga ang husay, integridad at malasakit ng mga lingkod bayani ng pamahalaan. Hindi lamang puro trabaho, pagpapagal at sakripisyo. Dapat may paraan din upang pataasin ang motibasyon at moral ng ating mga kawani. Today, we salute the unwavering spirit that propels the quality of public service of the CDA to new heights. And I would like to congratulate the Praise Committee of the CDA for utilizing praise as a platform to encourage and sustain outstanding performance, innovative ideas, and exemplary behavior. Congratulations also to the officials and employees who will be acknowledged today. Ito na ang pagpapahalaga sa inyong kahusayan at hindi matatawarang katapatan sa paglilingkod sa CDA, sa mga kooperatiba, sa ating kapwa Pilipino at sa bayan. Sa puntong ito, hayaan po ninyong kunin ko ang pagkakataong ito upang anyayahan ang CDA na i-nominate ang mga lingkod bayani ng inyong ahensya sa 2024 Search for Outstanding Government Workers. The deadline of submission of nominations is on March 31. Meron pa kayong halos 2 linggo to package the nominations in accordance with the requirements of the search. Other information can be accessed on the CSC website at www.csc.gov.ph. Aasahan ko na mula sa mga pararangalan natin dito ay mayroon akong makakasama sa award ceremony sa Malacanang from CDA ngayong taon. To our praise awardees, you are bestowed with this distinction for choosing to be exceptional, for refusing to be mediocre in the performance of your duties. Ang inyong mahusay at kalidad na trabaho ay nagsilbing instrumento upang mapanatili ang mabuting pamamahala at mahusay na pagtupad sa tungkulin ng institusyong ito. Ipagpatuloy po ninyo ang pagsasabuhay ng ideolohiya ng kabutihan at malasakit sa kapwa, katapatan at kahusayan upang magsilbing inspirasyon sa kapwa ninyong lingkod bayan. This is something you should continue to live by, be proud of, and celebrate. However, with my felicitations is a challenge. I call on you to not rest on your laurels. Continue to be excellent in your contributions to help CDA achieve its long-term goals, as well as our collective aspiration for our country, tungo sa matatag, maginhawa at panatag na buhay para sa lahat. You are the embodiment of what can be achieved when passion meets empowerment and dedication aligns with opportunity. Again, happy 34th anniversary to the CDA. Congratulations to all the awardees. Mabuhay kayo at mabuhay ang serbisyo publiko.